Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you doing? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful champagne, like natural everyday eyeshadow look using our Power Hungry eyeshadow palette by MAC Cosmetics. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button so you know when I post next. And yeah, let's begin. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Alrighty guys, so first step. As I said, we're going to be using our Power Hungry eyeshadow palette by MAC Cosmetics. We're going to apply this beautiful color that you see here called Bling Mistress. And we're going to use a medium-sized fluffy brush, also known as a crease brush, to apply this all over the crease of our eyes. Just want to jump in here and quickly say welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have not seen my makeup videos before, I just want to let you know that for the first eye, I tend to go at normal speed throughout the video so you know how to apply it or exactly where to apply it. And then for the second eye, I tend to speed up obviously the video because what I do in one eye, I do in the other. But please do not hesitate to ask me any questions if you have any in the comments down below. For the second step, we're going to apply this color that you see here called Bossing It. And we're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this to the outer V or outer corner of the eyelid. Also know that you can see here that like I kind of drag it into a bit more about halfway, so the outer V, and then I drag it in a bit more so that when I blend this out, it will blend beautifully with the other colors that we use, as well as with the color that we just added, so Bling Mistress. Quick tip, you'll see me do this throughout the video, but please remember to blow off the excess product off the brush. I know some people say don't do it. I always do it, mainly because I apply my eyeshadow after I apply my foundation, and I just don't want any sort of fallout on my face or on my cheeks. Second tip, here you see me using like the cardstock paper, like the back part of my falsies eyelashes case. Basically it's like cardstock paper. You'd use probably like a post, what's it called? An envelope, an envelope, or like a note card, probably same level of thickness, and you're going to apply it right underneath your eyelid as you're applying your eyeshadow so that it doesn't fall onto your face. Again, it does collect the fallout. Now it's time to blend. I will say it again for the people in the back. It's time to blend. I say this in every video, but I think this is probably the most important step, because if you don't blend out your eyeshadow, then it's going to look choppy, and really it's not going to look good, to be honest. But like I said, please use a medium-sized fluffy brush. You can use the same brush as I did here, like to apply the crease color, which was a Bling Mistress. Just really blend it out. I love crease brushes because I think they're great for blending out the colors. For the third step, we're going to be using this beautiful champagne color that you see here called Give Me That. And we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this all over the main part of our lid. So from the inner corner to about a little more than halfway. Again, when you apply a little more than halfway, this is definitely going to help blend it out when we get to that step. As I say here, you already know blending is key. Again, do not miss a step because you don't want your makeup, your eyeshadow to look choppy. As you see here, I'm using the same exact brush and I'm blending Give Me That into Bossing It, moving with gentle strokes from the inner part of the eye to the outer part of the eye. On to the next step. Look, I never skip the lower lash line. I don't know, I just feel like it pulls every eyeshadow look together. If you want to, then go ahead, but in this case we're not. We're going to be applying the same colors onto the lower lash line. So we're going to be applying Bossing It and Give Me That. First, we're going to apply Bossing It with the exact same small rounded brush, applying it to about halfway from the lower lash line to the outer corner. Again, because you're trying to do the same effect on the top as on the bottom as you did on the top part. As I just said, you're going to be applying Give Me That using the same small flat brush, but really more so the tip of the brush to apply it onto the lower lash line from the inner corner to about a little more than halfway. Again, as you're trying to blend these colors out. Last but not least, we're going to be using this white here from my All About Bronze eyeshadow palette by Essence. I really just love this white for the inner corner of the eye. I use it probably on every look or the majority of looks. But yes, if you have any sort of like white glittery color, then please go ahead. You're more than welcome to apply this, as you see here, with a cotton swab or a small like puny, tiny rounded brush or flat brush to apply this just to the inner corner of the eye. I believe that this illuminates the look and also completes the eyeshadow look. And final step, wipe away any fallout with a big fluffy brush, also known as a blush brush, just to clean up again, because even if you're blowing off the excess and using some sort of like note card to collect the fallout, there still may be some that has fallen into your cheeks. And that's it. This is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, take care. God bless. Bye. See you next time.